Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Harvey's spicy buffalo chicken poutine. So I've never had a poutine from Harvey's before, and I'm actually really excited because poutine is very Canadian and I love it. So it's all sealed up here. I don't know how they, oh, there we go. Ooh, okay. Some buffalo chicken in there. It's kind of like hard to see, but I want to dig right into this. It smells pretty spicy. Like I had this in the bag while I was getting here, and I don't know, it's looking like it could be pretty hot. So we'll get some fries there. I think that's some buffalo chicken in the end. Or maybe this whole piece is, yeah. Oh yeah. That's really good. Buffalo chicken's like, it's a spicier type of chicken, but I don't find it too crazy spicy. Wow, I like this. It's got gravy and hot sauce. Got some cheese curds there, fries. Delicious. It's like 800 calories or so in this. In the large one, there is 1,300 calories with 50 grams of protein. There's some chicken in here, so that's cool. Yeah, the chicken makes this amazing. So, this is like a great combination of like greasy gravy and cheese curds and fries, and also some spicy and chicken. Like it feels like you're biting into actual chicken breast because it's big piece of chicken, and there's like a really spicy buffalo sauce that's on top of it, and this together is really good. So I'm gonna have one more bite of this and I'll give my final review. I'll try to get a piece with chicken, or I think I got a couple pieces of chicken and cheese curd. So all of this all in one. Got a lot of hot sauce in that one too. This is really delicious. I'm glad I didn't get the large because this is like heavy and a lot. I imagine a large would be this size. Harvey's does really big poutines. That's cool. I couldn't imagine having this with a burger. Like, it's heavy. It's really good though. So I'm gonna give the buffalo chicken poutine from Harvey's I'm say an 8 to an 8.5, maybe more like an 8.5. The spicy buffalo chicken is really good in this, and cheese curds, everything all combined together makes a perfect combination. So 8.5, I'll give it to this Harvey's Canada, put on with this amazing poutine. And poutine's a very Canadian food, so respect this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below this little poutine here, and I'll see you in the next video.